Hi, welcome to this new explanation video. I'll take you through the whole process, including deleting a post. Then go to your account on the bottom right. Press the dashes at the top right. After that you will see a button called Your Activity. When you scroll down on this page, you will see Recently Deleted. Open the post you want to restore and press the dots. Click on Restore. When you follow the steps, return to your profile and refresh the page. The post has been restored, including the time and date when you posted it in the first place.